A for apple. B for ball.
C for cat.
D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for J for juice.
L is for lion.
M is for moon. The moon shines bright at night.
N is for nest. Baby birds live in the nest.
O is for orange. The orange is sweet and juicy.
P is for penguin. The penguin loves the snow. Q is for queen. The queen wears a crown.
R is for rainbow. The rainbow has many colors.
S is for sun. The sun gives us light and warmth. T is for tiger. The tiger is big and strong.